Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. And you know how much I love to do new stuff. And luckily for you and for me, I have Norm from Ranch. He has come over here today. And what is Norm doing at C&H? Well, he's showing us a brand new cover by Ranch. It's called the Mountaintop. What the heck is that? Well, let's go find out. Come right this way. Mountaintop is a rolling full metal aluminum cover with a T-slot. And you know how much I love T-slots because you can add racks. If you want to put a nice little low rack or high rack, you can do it with this cover. Now this cover's got a lot of features that are very different than some of the other manufacturers I've shown. So let's go into a few cool things about this. Let's see. Now, if you notice here, let's see. You can put, this has the multi-function tailgate and does not lose the handle. I know some covers you do. Now, first thing, let's go ahead and roll this open and take a look how small that canister is. Guess what? That's one of the smallest, if not the smallest canisters in the industry. So that's a great size canister. And later on, I'm gonna tell you some other cool things about the canister. Also, I don't know if you can see there, see the drainage system that comes with it? Those are very big. Why is that better? Well, the simple fact is it lets more water out. That's right. If you're going through a heavy rainstorm and the water is going to the canister and it has too small of a tube, sometimes the water fills up, goes into your bed. Not on this setup. A big fat setup lets the water drain out very, very quickly on this. Let's see. Now let's go ahead and pull this forward. Now you can see, really, really easy to use. Now, I'm going to show you two cool things. I'll start with the first one. Let's go in this one in the back. Remember I just talked about this? Now, all right, Norm, what do I do? Just pull this up? Pull it up all right. Yep. Now, you do have to take care of your canister. What do I mean? Well, if the leaves get caught in here or some kind of debris, it could clog up that drainage system I just talked about. Well, you saw how easy it is to get in here. This is, for a fact, the easiest setup to clean your canister. You'll appreciate it if you ever got something in there. It's so easy to get in there and clean it out. It's within seconds to do it. So it's a great setup. Now, the top here holds 450 pounds. That's quite a bit of weight. And you know what? Are you ready for this? All right, Dave, let's see what this can do. Holy crap, look, excuse my language, but look at that. All right, Dave, that's impressive. I've never seen a cover ever do that before.
We've never done that on a rolling cover.
We have never done that on a rolling cover. That's been a one-of-a-kind thing.
They might claim that you can.
Thank you, Dave. As you can see, except for the footprints, it looks really good. So, and another cool thing about this cover, if you did have one of these little panels get damaged, it is replaceable. That means they can replace that one piece, which is not all companies do that. Actually, I don't know if any of it does that, to be honest with you.
Usually it's a full canister.
It's the full thing. So this is a nice feature. And you get a good warranty. You get 3 years from the manufacturer. So Ranch is going to give you a 3-year manufacturer warranty. As you know, if we install it for you, you get that 1-year labor guarantee from C&H Auto Accessories. All in all, a great looking cover. I love the T-slots. I love the way it looks. And most important, I like the way it functions. So, Norm, anything else you want to mention about your great cover?
No, I think you did an absolutely awesome job, better than what I could have done. So you did well, Chris.
Now, we are an authorized Ranch dealer. So, if you'd like to get this cover, call the store. Ask for John, Dave, myself, or Buddy, whoever answers the phone. We'll be glad to answer your questions. We can ship this to you, or preferably come to our store and we can do the installation for you, and that's why you get that 1-year labor guarantee if we do it professionally installation. All in all, really easy to get. Like I said, just give us a call, or like I said, come visit our showroom. We got a beautiful brick and mortar store. You know, a lot of places you talk to, they're selling stuff out of a warehouse or garage. We have a real store. We have real people to help you, and they can help you with questions as well, and that's real important. And again, if you like the video, hit that like button. We appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel. You get to see new stuff like this. I guarantee there's not too many people who have done this video yet. We like to be the first. You know how much I want to be the first and stuff. And today we have another first, so you get to enjoy it. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you.